Huawei has introduced a new version of the Mate 70 Pro, but it comes with an unexpected change. Named the Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition, this model is set to go on sale on March 5. While the name suggests an upgraded version, the reality is quite different. Instead of improvements, the phone actually features a downgraded processor. However, this change comes with a lower price, making it a more affordable option compared to the original Mate 70 Pro. The company's official store of Mall does not mention the chip downgrade. However, a separate Geekbench listing has revealed that the premium edition uses an underclocked CPU. The model number PLRL50 was spotted with benchmark scores of 1,450 for single-core performance and 3,793 for multi-core. These numbers indicate a significant drop in processing power, making it comparable to mid-range smartphones rather than flagship devices. Despite the change in performance, the rest of the phone's specifications remain the same. It still features a 6.9-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and visuals. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel macro telephoto camera, providing versatile photography options. The battery remains at 5,500 mAh and supports 100-watt wired charging along with 80-watt wireless charging. This combination should still offer a strong battery experience despite the lower processing power. Huawei is offering the Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition in 4 colors: green, purple, white, and black. The phone comes with 12 GB of RAM and 3 storage options. The 256GB variant is priced at 6,199 Chinese yuan, which is approximately $850. The 512GB model costs 6,699 Chinese yuan, around $920, while a 1TB version is available for 7,699 Chinese yuan, which is about $1,050. The decision to release a premium edition with a weaker processor is an unusual move from Huawei. Typically, premium versions come with enhancements, but this one prioritizes affordability over raw performance. While some users may appreciate the lower price, others might be disappointed by the reduced processing power. The phone still retains a premium design, high-end camera system, and fast charging, but performance-focused users may see it as a downgrade rather than an alternative. Huawei has not announced any plans to release this model outside of China, so international customers may not have the option to purchase it. It remains to be seen how well the phone will be received in its home market. The lower price could attract buyers who want a Mate 70 Pro without paying full price, but it may also raise concerns about whether the device can keep up with other flagship smartphones. Would you consider buying a premium edition that actually has a weaker processor? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.